ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਚੰਗੇ ਹੁੰਗਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਓਵੀਸੀ ਅਲਬਰਟਾ ਫਾਲਕਨਰੀਜ਼ ਅਤੇ ਕਾਸਟੋਰੀਜ਼ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਟ ਦੀ ਭਾਈਵਾਲੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਸੰਘਰਸ਼ਸ਼ੀਲ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੱਕ ਭੋਜਨ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਉਣਾ, ਕੇਅਰ ਪੈਕੇजेस, ਕਲੀਨਿਕ ਸਪਲਾਈ, ਓਰਲ ਹਾਈਜਨ, ਪਰਸਨਲ ਹਾਈਜਨ ਅਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕੇ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਡਿਗਨਿਟੀ ਕੈਲਗਰੀ ਫਾਊਂਡੇਸ਼ਨ, ਯੂਨਾਈਟਿਡ ਵੇ, ਕੈਨੇਡੀ ਆਲਮੀ ਅਤੇ ਯੂਥ ਹੈਲਪਿੰਗ ਯੂਥ ਕੈਲਗਰੀ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਖਾਸ ਮਦਦ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਚੱਲਦਿਆਂ ਬੀਤੇ ਦਿਨੀ ਕੈਲਗਰੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਫੂਡ ਡਰਾਈਵ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਬੰਧ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਲੋੜਵੰਦਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਮਦਦ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਈ ਗਈ।
Today we have with us Miss Reme Sekho. She's a social worker, a very brave, inspirational lady. She's always stood up for the needy, for anybody who is in any kind of need. She's been helping people of Canada, helping people of Alberta since many years now. This is one food drive that she's initiated through One Voice Canada. Reme, tell us something about this food drive.
Thank you so much. First of all, thank you Chardi Kala Times TV for taking time to cover our event. This event has been organized. This is the second time we are doing this kind of event, which we have planned out to be a mini shopping spree. As you can see that we have little mini aisles being set up, put stuff on the table, and every volunteer is assigned to manage, maintain, and take care of that particular aisle as if they are their department managers.
We have with her, we have with us Sarah, and Sarah, tell us something about this food drive. You've come here. What's the experience? How do you feel?
Oh, I feel really good. I volunteered a lot of my tutoring during pandemic, so that didn't bring me a lot of income. So this helps me keep up that effort with volunteering, so that I am not homeless or starving. So I got introduced to it by Gegadeep, and it's been a wonderful experience. We have the young ones helping me shop and back it up, and there's so much fresh stuff, which is great.
So we have with us Deep. She is a volunteer from an organization called Youth Helping Youth, and this is one particular organization which has helped in this particular initiative, and it is so great to see the future generation coming up and helping in initiatives like these. So Deep, tell us something about this initiative. Tell us something about how you thought about doing it, and why, and what kind of effort was required to do all of this, and what is your experience right now?
For sure. So, hi everyone. Today we're at One Voice Alberta's food drive. This is our second one. And Youth Helping Youth has been partnering with them to provide them with feminine hygiene kits and products. And a lot of our volunteers are here today as well. And we're super happy to be here. And we've been able to help a lot of families, which always brings a smile to our faces, helping other Calgarians during the pandemic. And Youth Helping Youth has been doing a lot during COVID-19 to help other youth, as the name Youth Helping Youth. And we've been doing a lot to help our community and partaking in a variety of events that are made to help our community. And so far as Youth Helping Youth's first project was providing feminine hygiene care kits